The Professor Pincushion book is releasing November 25th, 2022, and it's now available to pre-order. We're excited to be teaming up with a local small business craft store called Stitchin located in Sisters, Oregon for an exclusive offer. Pre-order our book from Stitchin and you'll get an author-signed copy of Professor Pincushion's Beginner Guide to Sewing, plus a sheet of specially designed stickers. If you want your book signed to a specific name, when checking out, type the name in the order note box, otherwise it won't be personalized. This is a great way to support a first-time author like me and a local fabric store. We'll put a link below to our website where we'll have all the order info plus other vendors. We here at Professor Pincushion appreciate anyone who orders our book, and even if you can't, you can still support us by doing a book request at your local library or help us spread the word about our book. We're so excited about our release, and we'll be having more exciting news to share about Professor Pincushion's Beginner Guide to Sewing, so be sure to follow us.